Hey Cloud family, welcome back to Moomba. Today I'm going to show you how to create a static website. First thing we want to do is go to the main page, the console of AWS, find S3 and click on that. Here we have a list of the S3 buckets. We want to click on the Create Bucket button. Enter the name of the bucket. It should be in this form, www. whatever you want your site name to be. This is going to be the domain name in a later lesson. I'm just mentioning the block all public access at this point. It's checked by default. Scroll down and click the Create Bucket button. Here we can see that the bucket was successfully created. Here's the bucket name. Click on that. This will open the bucket and we will see these tabs. So the first one is objects. We want to upload a file that will be seen by users when they first visit your site. Here's the file that I plan to upload. It's called index.html. It's a standard basic HTML page that will display this text. On the upload page, click the Add Files button. Locate and select the file that you want to upload and click the Upload button. Here confirms that the upload was successful. Here's the file. Here's the status. Go back to the buckets page and click your bucket name. This time we want properties, so click that tab. Here's the properties tab. Scroll all the way down and find the static website hosting section. You notice that by default it's disabled. We want to click this edit button. On this page, we want to enable. When you enable, you'll see more options. Hosting type, the default is host a static website. That's what we want. Here where it says index document, we want to enter the name of the file that we just uploaded. Scroll down, click Save Changes. Here it's confirmed that static website hosting was enabled. We scroll down on the Properties tab to the very bottom. Static website hosting is enabled. And here's the URL. We'll come back to that later. Go back on the bucket page. This time we want the permissions tab. So click here. Scroll down to the block public access section. Click edit. And remember I showed you before that this was checked by default. We want to uncheck this and it will uncheck all of these, which will make this bucket publicly accessible to the world. Save changes. It's going to ask you to confirm. Here it says enter confirm in the field. Type the word confirm, click the confirm button. Here you can see that we successfully edited block public access. In this section, you can see block all public access is now off. So scroll down on this page, get to the bucket policy section, click the edit button. Here you want to change this to the name of your site, whatever the domain name is going to be, and it should be in this form, www. whatever. Scroll down, click Save Changes. Here it's confirmed that this bucket is publicly accessible. Here we can see access public, block all public access off. Back on the main buckets page, we have the bucket name. You can see the access is now public. Click the bucket name. Scroll all the way down again to the static website hosting section. This time, I want you to copy the URL. Open a new browser window or a new tab and paste the URL here. You'll notice that by default, this is a lock, and this is showing you that the lock is off or that this is an unsecured site. But if you access this page using this URL, you'll see the text that was in my HTML document. You click the lock again, it'll tell you that the connection is not secure. You click this message, it will tell you why it's not secure. This is in Firefox. It might look a little different in Chrome if you're using that browser. So the goal of this tutorial, all of these tutorials at the end, the goal is to have this lock enabled so that the site is secure. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you in this tutorial. The next part is going to be creating a CloudFront distribution. See you next time.